What skills do I need to start in digital marketing? So, you're ready to dive into digital marketing, but you're wondering, do I need a marketing degree or some tech wizardry to get started? Spoiler: nope. Answer: you don't need a PhD in marketing to get started. All you need are a few key skills, like understanding social media, knowing how to write engaging content, basic SEO, and an eye for analytics. Why it's accessible. Digital marketing is all about learning as you go. There are tons of free resources out there, www.yourdailypayprofits.com, to help you pick up these skills quickly and start earning. It's all about action, not perfection. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up, digital marketing has the potential to unlock some serious income streams if you know what you're doing. And if you want to learn how to create multiple streams of income daily, yes, I'm talking about $100, $300, $600, or even $900 a day, using free, proven marketing methods, then you've got to check out www.yourdailypayprofits.com. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more digital marketing tips, and drop a comment with any other burning questions. The digital marketing world is full of opportunities, so don't wait, get started today. I'll see you at the top. Visit www.yourdailypayprofits.com or click the link below this video and start earning today. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to grow your online business and income.